Do you want to know the most underrated, unsung bread out there? A fluffy bread that is sweet, spiced, and perfect to snack on any time of the day. It's the cinnamon sweet potato bread. This delicious yeast-free cinnamon sweet potato bread recipe is gluten-free and so good. Serve it as a delightful dessert or an easy side dish. Sweet potatoes have a lot of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in them. The fiber and antioxidants promote a healthy gut. Sweet potatoes are also super rich in beta-carotene, which can be good for eyesight. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin in your body, boosting a healthy immune system. So, how do you make cinnamon sweet potato bread? Making cinnamon sweet potato bread is simple, using clean ingredients. If you use flax egg instead of regular eggs, you can simply make this sweet potato bread vegan. To make cinnamon sweet potato bread, you'll need the following ingredients: non-stick cooking spray, 1 1/2 cups of cooked and cooled sweet potatoes, about 1 large or 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 2 eggs beaten. For vegan, use 2 flax eggs, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cups of gluten-free flour, 1 1/2 cups of coconut sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, spray a 1.5 quart loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray and then set aside. 2. In a mixing bowl, combine the cooked sweet potatoes, eggs, coconut oil, applesauce, almond milk, and vanilla. Use a spatula to mix them together. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 3. Combine flour, baking soda, coconut sugar, cinnamon, and salt in a separate mixing bowl. Stir to combine. 4. To combine the wet and dry ingredients, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk to blend. Pour the batter into the loaf pan. Bake it for approximately 55 to 60 minutes or until the top of the bread is golden brown. 5. Allow the bread to cool in the loaf pan for 10 to 15 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Vegan, gluten-free baking may seem daunting, but it's actually really simple. Just like banana bread, this recipe is made in one bowl or in a food processor, which makes it even easier. There is minimal cleanup too. This delicious cinnamon sweet potato bread recipe is super delicious and amazingly moist. Here are some useful tips for making the best cinnamon sweet potato bread. 1. Bake the sweet potatoes up to 3 days ahead of time. One of the best methods is to bake them using Instant Pot. You can also use frozen and defrosted cooked sweet potatoes. 2. Use your favorite gluten-free flour blend. 3. Substitute flax eggs for a vegan version of this cinnamon sweet potato bread recipe. You can make a flax egg by mixing together 1 tablespoon of ground flax with 3 tablespoons of water. 4. Allow the bread to cool completely before slicing with a serrated knife. Let it sit on the countertop for about an hour after baking. 5. Serve the cinnamon sweet potato bread toasted or slightly warmed. This fluffy, gluten-free cinnamon sweet potato bread is easy to make and full of warm fall flavors. You can grab a slice and top it with honey for the ultimate breakfast treat or as a snack throughout the day. Have you ever tried this recipe? Tell us in the comments below. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.